Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So today I am making what I'm going to call scrambled eggs casserole. So to start with, I have hash brown potatoes here on my baking tray, which I've seasoned with a little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm going to be putting them into my oven, which I have preheated at 425. Alright, so it has been about 35-40 minutes now that the potatoes have been in the oven. Stirring frequently, and I added a little bit of olive oil at one point as well to help get that crispness and golden brown, and now they are out of the oven and I'm going to set them aside. Alright, so next I have my bacon laid out and ready for the oven. I have a cookie sheet lined with foil, and then I have wire racks on that and my bacon laid out on top. I go into this method a little more on the turkey bacon ranch meatball video, so when you're finished here, be sure to head over and check that one out. So after about 20 minutes, the bacon is done. So I have my hash browns in my casserole dish that I've sprayed with nonstick spray. And next I have my eggs. I have about 7 of them here. And I've added some salt and pepper and some milk and beaten them up, and they are ready to go into my casserole dish. And there they are. Alright, so I have crumbled my bacon and it is going to be next in my casserole. Alright, so the bacon is in and this is starting to look really yummy, if I do say so myself. Alright, so my next ingredient is going to be some shredded cheddar cheese. And on that goes. Alright, for my final ingredient, I have some Pillsbury Grands buttermilk biscuits. Alright, so the biscuits are on and we are ready for the oven, which is preheated to 375. Alright, so after about 15-20 minutes, it is done. It is looking really yummy. I can't wait to try this. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye guys.